Hello everybody. We're doing something a little bit different today, as our friends over at EPOS sent us a GTW270 hybrid wireless earbuds. So we're going to be cracking these bad boys open. To be perfectly honest with you, I've already been using them. Simply because my headphones that I normally use, which are these headphones with these little adapters on them, are garbage. So as soon as I got these, I switched them out, and yeah, the difference is amazing, to say the very least. So it comes with your standard cables. It's a charger to a USB-C. It comes with an adapter, extension adapter to it as well. It's also got some rubbers, so you can change the size on the rubbers on the actual earbuds themselves. If we have a look inside here, ooh, you got your instructions here. This little doobie is something a little bit more unique. It's a USB-C dongle, so for low latency connections. For gaming in particular, you can use that both on PC and it's perfect for the Switch as well. The actual device themselves come in a little case like this, obviously rechargeable. Just flips open like so. And yeah, so they come in a little case like this, which you can then flip open. So they're actually charging at the moment. You can hold down this little button on the front here to pair it if you have trouble pairing them or activating them, and they just clip out like so. Left there, and you got the right one there. They're actually quite small and quite good. They sit quite nicely in your ear as well. My pet peeve, particularly with these sort of style headphones, they fall out of your ear. But I haven't had that case with these yet. And the little click when you drop them back in is very, very satisfying. And then they just go into there. And then there's a little USB-C connection on the back. The guys at EPOS have been kind enough to supply these to me to try out with a bit of gaming and a few other things. So far, I've been using them with my iPhone, just to listen to music, podcasts, general work stuff. Hook them up to my work laptop as well. So far, very impressed. We'll give them a bit of a road test with a bit of gaming over the weekend, and just see how we go. If you are in the market, you're interested in purchasing, you can get these from MWave. At the moment, we've got a special going on. If you go to mwave.com.au and put in Zombies LV Bacon in the checkout, you actually get 10% off, which is a neat little feature. But yeah, let us know if there's anything in particular you want to know about these kind of headphones. I will make another video with a bit of a review once we've gone through them. Leave a comment below. I'll make sure that I try and figure out and find the answers to any questions that you may have. And yeah, give us a like and subscribe if you want to see some more. And we'll be playing with these. Have a good one, everyone.